Hey guys, it's June 15th, gym day for me. Thank you for clicking onto my video. Welcome back to my channel, Trading with Ju. I am Ju, and here is my trading palace. Today, we are going over key levels and markups I do within my charts to assist me with identifying the best or higher probability areas where I can get my entries, my exits, and my stop placements from. So we're going for a weekly analysis and we're going to jump right into the charts. So let's make some lemonade. So here we are in our charts, guys, and here this is gold, XAU, USD. We're going to go up to the weekly and we're going to first talk about what key levels are. So key levels are important price points on the chart where the price has reacted from the past, either reversing, stalling, or accelerating. So here we are. Let's see. So we have certain price points we mark off in the larger time frame, and then we go down to the smaller time frame to refine those points. So here we see, let's see, here we see we have the edge of the market, the highest point, and this is in the weekly, and then we also have something coming a little further in, just about like right around here and here. So what we're going to do is bring out our rectangle, and we're going to go ahead and mark off these levels. And this is just for a reference for the bigger time frame, and then we go ahead and come down into the smaller time frame and work the magic there as well. So, oops. One right here, because it reacted right here, and then we have another one right around here because it reacted here. Of course I would put some at the bottom, but okay, let's see. We have some reactions here, and we had some reactions here. And mind you, let's see, and probably like right around here. But we're gonna go ahead and work our magic and come down to the day one, and see what we have here. So day one, we already see that we have a higher high. We're gonna make the level a little bit smaller. Okay, and then we have reactions coming from right here. We're going to make the level smaller. Okay, so this one comes down. There's a gap right here. It's tapping into this area, blows the area out, comes down, taps into it again, taps into it again. Okay, so this is another reactionary area, so we're going to go ahead and mark that off too. I also see another area just about right around here. I'm going to move this up and in the little area, in the little space, and you know, kind of small, make the levels a little smaller, because when we start going to the smaller time frame, then that's when things get a little hairy. So these were tapped into as well. 1, 2, and 3. We could move it up a little higher actually. but I think I'm okay with it here. And then this bottom one, right around here. Okay, so this is the first little set right here. We go into the 4 hour and see if we can refine those edges once again. So we got the edge. The edge is still, I'll put the edge right here. These are zones, so really it's really in this price area / zone where we have these particular prices and these particular lines. Here, tapped into here and reacted, fell all the way down. Tapped in here, reacted, fell all the way down. Tap in here, reacted, and came up. Okay, this looks just about right to me. Tap in, come up and down. Tap in, tap, tap, tap. Tap dancing. I'm moving things up just to, you know, clean that up. And then I think I want to put a level right here. Probably a minor level. Yeah, let's put a minor level. Somewhere right here. Now these minor levels are, well, first off, these yellow lines right here are major levels, key levels, and these other ones are minor. Let's see. Made that one red. That looks good. Here. There's little things on the inside as well, like this one right here. That's what it's looking like. This one's a minor. I could put that one there too, because it did tap into it a few times, but right, you got that one for blue up. We're checking in, seeing if this looks right. I'm coming down. There's the second one around this area. I think I want to move this up just a little bit. Looks like it could actually come a little bit down just to tap into this area. Yep. So that one's tapping in to the area. You got taps going in. Then you have another one right here. So this one right here looks good. Little reaction going on right there. I brought it down just a little bit. Tap, tap. Tap into the area, came down. Down into this area. Comes up. down into this area, down into this zone, breaks the zone, runs faster to the lowest zone right here, and then you have this. This is not necessarily a major. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and take this level and move it down here, replacing that red line. And then I'm going to bring this other red line just about right here. Let's see. Like that. So down, up, down, breaks this level, comes up, supports the level, breaks this level, and then now we're in this area, and that's why this red line is here. So it's a minor level that stopped it from going up, comes back down, major level, supports it, and then breaks up, back up into the major level. It looks like we have another level right around here. So I'm going to mark this level off too. Just about, let's bring it down. Just about right here. So tap, tap, tap. And then look at it hitting into the red line. It goes up, tap here, supports it. And then we have some more little areas where it supports it again, so I'll make another red line. Whoops. Right, so it makes the red, makes the support here. But of course it still is tapping into the major zone, and then looks like it starts breaking, going up to the top, and then here's another level right here where it starts to do its business. I'm gonna do that, these little minor levels, right? And then it breaks higher. And when it breaks higher, we might as well go ahead and mark off this level as well. And this level actually needs to come just a little bit lower. I see that into this area. And then to the highest portion right here in the interior. So clone this, bring it down, bring it down, bring it down, and then here we are. That's what I'm kind of seeing. Bring this into it again. Yeah, something like that. This looks just about right to me. And now we're going to use these levels. Well, first off, let's go to our smaller time frame again. We're going to bounce down again. Just make sure that it's refined. And now we're just looking at the candles to see how tight these levels are. So those are it. You have these levels here, tapping into the bodies, tapping in, this zone right here at the bottom of this candle and at the top of this one. This could actually come. How we identify key levels is by the taps or reactions from those levels or to those levels. How we trade these levels is by looking for confirmation when price gets to these levels. Because the key levels help traders make better decisions about entries, exits, etc., these are one of the methods that helped me see even just a little bit of profit week to week when I was starting out. My analysis on this market is to hopefully buy the low of the current week, week 3, to then target the highest high pointed out to the left from last week. So I'll be keeping results posted on the community tab if you guys are interested. In short, key levels mark where price has shown strong interest, making them powerful zones for trade setups. Well, we're coming to the end of the video, so thank you guys for listening in to Trading with Ju. My name is Ju. Hope you all have a wonderful day. Let me know if this helps. Ciao for now.